We are continuing with the evading firewall techniques, and the next technique is the data length. Nmap transmits probes which are in a very specific size known to many firewall vendors. The data length option actually adds an amount of additional data, so it will seem as if it is not coming from Nmap scan. Let's see how we do it. So we use the nmap command _data length, and now the parameter is the amount of bytes that we wish to add to the packet itself. Let's add another additional 10 bytes and let's send it to our host target. The next technique is one of my favorite. It allows us to spoof our MAC address. Our layer 2 MAC address can be spoofed so the target device could not link the scanning host MAC address with the original one. We'll use the nmap command with a --spoof -MAC, and now we can specify which MAC address we wish to generate, or generate a random one. Let's generate a random one with the 0 parameter, and let's target our host. It was very quick. As you can see, there is no registered vendor behind that random MAC address that nmap generated. I could also use a generated MAC address that belongs to one of the known vendors as Dell, Apple, Microsoft, and so on.